Today we are going to unbox our brand new camera, which is Sony zv-e10, and I just purchased this camera on the occasion of Diwali, and so this is my camera for my YouTube channel, and I just purchased it from the Amazon and at 60,000 rupees, and this is the manual I got it in this box. And he's on the left, on the left side we got the camera, and on the right side we got these accessories. This is a battery, and let's keep it inside. And first of all, this is a cord, charging cord, and here we have a, what is it, this is a mic cap or wind cap, I would say. And this is the adapter, charging adapter. Here is the type USB port, and on the other side the charging port. Here's our USB cable, which is very original, so you can't let it go anyway. So, and this is also one more manual. Let's take out our brand new camera, which looks very sexy right now, and let's see how it looks. This is a cap, you can remove it by pressing these two buttons. And here's the screen, LCD screen, which is not fully touch, but it's a partially touch screen. So yeah, you can rotate it like this. On one side you can rotate completely from one side, and you can keep you can also protect like this. So I think I have to purchase screen guard for this as well, temper glass, I would say. And here you can insert your battery. Just insert your battery in the right side, in the right way. Just follow me if you have a new camera, and just keep this part on the left and just press, and you will hear the sound tick. And once you add your battery, just slide it to close. And here's a windscreen, and you can, if you can also uh, so my camera has just refocused. This is how you can turn on your camera. And so I didn't remove the, yeah, I have to remove it. If you want to see the testing video of this camera, just stay tuned for all the new videos about this camera. Hope you like this video, and see in the next video for detailed review. Thanks.